an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Earlville, or 9 miles northeast of Mendota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mendota, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Somonauk, Earlville, Serena, Leland, Millington, Harding, and Norway, including the following interstate: Interstate 39 between mile markers 71 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.